Hello, this is Omar from Cisco Tech. On this video, I'll be presenting the Webex Endpoint registration process on a Survivability Gateway. Overview. The site survivability feature ensures that your business remains reachable at all times, even if your network connection to Webex is interrupted. Site survivability leverages a gateway within your local network, which we refer to as the Survivability Gateway. This gateway acts as a fallback mechanism, providing a reliable calling service to on-site endpoints whenever the network connection to Webex is disrupted. In essence, site survivability ensures that your communication lines remain open and your business operations continue smoothly, regardless of any network issues with Webex. This means you can avoid any potential downtime that could impact your business. The Survivability Gateway feature is supported starting from Cisco iOS XE 17.12.3. For IP phones, the firmware version 12.01, and for Cisco Webex application, the version 43.2. The synchronization process between the Survivability Gateway and Webex involves sharing the registration and authentication data of the endpoints that might be using the Survivability Gateway. During registration, the endpoints establish a mutual TLS connection to port 8933 on the S gateway. The SIP register message uses the unique AOR address of record to map the registration in the S gateway. There are some limitations for this feature, as code preservation from Control Hub to the Survivability Gateway is not supported. IPv6 addressing is not compatible. Only IPv4 should be used. The soft key features listed are not currently supported. On-demand synchronization between the S gateway and Webex might take up to 30 minutes. Let's now start with the registration process. The first step for the endpoint is to establish a TCP session to the Survivability Gateway on port 8933. This can be verified with the command show TCP brief. Next, we should be able to see the MTLS handshake, where the certificates are exchanged. We can use the command show CPUA connection TCP TLS detail to ensure the handshake was successful. Once there is a secure connection between the S gateway and the endpoint, a SIP register message should arrive at the gateway. The destination is the registered domain, which is the gateway, and we should also be able to identify the endpoint that is registering with the AOR. The authorization header holds the credentials. If the S gateway finds the AOR and matches the credentials in its database, the registration is allowed, and a 200OK message is sent back. To confirm the correct registration, the show voice register dial peer command will display the dynamic dial peers automatically created. The show voice register pool would be useful to see endpoint's IP address and state. In case the AOR is not found, the registration is rejected with a 403 SEP message, and the following log lines are seen in the S gateway console. If the AOR was valid but the authentication failed, the S gateway sends a 401 SIP challenge message requesting the correct credentials. I hope this video has been useful, and thank you for watching.